Okay, it's easy to forget about your YouTube channel homepage, but when you're growing, you'll be linking to it from your social media, and people will be clicking on your channel when they're really interested in your videos. So you can't come to the party looking like this. Okay, to fix this, let's style you up a little bit and let's get it on. When you first launch your YouTube channel and you visit that channel homepage, it's going to look a little bit like this. But it's going to look worse because it won't have this graphic here. So it's going to look like a very stripped down version of a YouTube page with very minimal header here and one strip of video thumbnails, which by default is your uploads. And that's it. That's all what people will be seeing on your YouTube channel homepage. And it's not enough. It's like wearing short shorts, you're right. I've already done a previous video about updating your channel art like this. I used Glorify to do that, but I'm probably not going to keep this. That was just for testing purposes. But that's what I created using the Glorify app. I created this big header to dress up my homepage a little bit more in YouTube. And then just recently I added my About section. Okay, this is my About page, and you just throw up a little bit of a spiel about your message to your audience. Just a quick message. You can even link to your website or other assets or other social media. And let's go back to our channel homepage. This is what it looks like. It just looks kind of bare with a strip of thumbnails to some of my recent videos. Even if I had a million videos, it'll just show a strip of 6 videos here. So what we're going to do is create a couple more rows here based on playlists that are organized in different categories. And we'll do that right now. Let's customize this channel. This is still that one row format, but we can add another section here for another row. So the first thing we have to do is create playlists. And we can do that by clicking this link here and click new playlist. Okay, let's call this graphic editors and design. Create. Okay, there's nothing in this playlist, so let's add some videos to it. Okay, and let's click this add videos and click this your YouTube videos. So select any item that fits this category, which is under graphics, editors, and design. So this matches, this, not these. Creating a sticker, yes, these are graphic stuff. Okay, so I've selected the videos that match this category, and let's add these videos to this playlist. Okay, so now we have these. Now that we have this playlist done, let's click this. And another new playlist, and let's call it WordPress websites. Let's click the edit to add videos to it. Click this button, add videos, your YouTube videos. Okay, so now let's select the videos that match this category. Okay, I think I've selected all the videos that match WordPress websites development. Okay, add videos. Okay, now that we've added a second category of videos, add section. Okay, content, select content. Created playlists or single playlist. Let's do single playlist. Horizontal row, sure. My playlist, yes. Okay, it's going to look for my playlist, and I have 2 of them. So let's click the graphics. Done. Okay, now I have 2 rows. Let's add another one. Let's add a 3rd row. Add section. Select content. Single playlist. Horizontal, my playlist, and the other category we added, which was WordPress websites. Done. Okay, I didn't need to save it because it saves automatically. Okay, I'm viewing this as a non-logged in person, and it now has 3 rows, right? This was a row that was by default already there, and we created a new playlist for graphics and editors and added that row. And we also created another playlist for WordPress websites and added that row. So now my channel homepage looks a bit more, full. There's more things to look at. Now you could be more confident in linking your YouTube channel because there's more content. And as you mature and add more videos in different categories, so these things won't duplicate each other. But right now, because I only have 20 videos and some of them are duplicates in certain categories, they're coming up. But in the future, they'll be much more varied, okay? And I already have my about page. Channel art is done. So now my homepage YouTube channel looks decent. It looks like I'm no longer underdressed and I can join the party and invite people to come and visit. And that concludes this video. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success. Thank you.